Hello everyone. Now the third practice, main practice third that that we will discuss in this lecture, crop protection improvement. In last previous lecture we have studied about the crop variety improvement and crop production improvement. Now last one is about the crop protection improvement. The field crops are infested or attacked by the large number of weeds, insect pests and diseases. First of all, we will discuss about the weeds. And weeds are these are the unwanted plants that are grown in field along with the crop, and they are harmful for the crop as they compete with the crop for sunlight, food and water, nutrients, so that they give the bad impact on the growth of the crops. And examples of the weeds are, in kharif crop the main weed is cholai, and in rabi crops the main is bathua. These are the common names of the weeds. And now about the control of weeds. The weeds, they can be controlled manually by using the khurpi, or by weedicides like 2,4-D or herbicides. And we also can use some insects that feed on the particular weeds, and these are the methods for controlling the weeds. And now the second one is about the pest. What are the pests? The pests are the type of the insects which are attracted towards a crop plant for the food, shelter, and breeding, and cause the harmful effects on them. They are called as the pest, and they attack on the crop by different type of the methods. First one is they cut the root, stem, and leaf, and they also suck the cell sap. Cell sap is the liquid that is present into the plant, and into the cells of the plants. And third one is they bore means एक तरह से होल कर देना. They bore into the stems and fruits means अगर stems और fruits में बोरिंग मतलब होल हो जाएंगे तो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ख़त्म हो जाएगी, और क्वालिटी जो है फ्रूट्स की दैट इज़ डैमेज, ख़त्म हो जाएगी. देन कंट्रोल ऑफ द पेस्ट, दैट दे आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय द pesticides like DDT, insecticides and fungicides, etc. And third one is about the diseases. Plants, they also get the diseases like the animals and human beings. Diseases in plants are caused due to the pathogens, and pathogens are called as the disease causing agents like bacteria, fungi, viruses. And they also controlled by the spraying compounds of sulfur, mercury, arsenic, zinc and copper. These are the metals. They are present in some chemical or synthetic compounds. If we spray them on these plants, then these viruses and bacteria and fungi, they we can prevent the crops from these pathogens. And now here question is arises that why pesticides are used in very accurate concentration and in very appropriate manner. So answer is that pesticides are used in accurate concentration and appropriate manner because if they are used in excess, they will harm the soil and leads to the loss of the fertility, and checks the replenishment of the organic matter, and kills the microorganism of the soil and causes the air, water and soil pollution. And we should handle the pesticides very carefully as they are very harmful. They should be stored carefully beyond the reach of the children and domestic animals like dogs, cats, cows, etc., because they are very poisonous in nature. And they are also disposed means their leftovers, they are disposed of very carefully. And now you have read this chapter up to this topic, and assignment for the this topic is, first question is discuss why pesticides are used in very accurate and appropriate manner. Second one is write the modes by which insects affect the crop yield. And third one is a farmer found xanthium and parthenium growing along with wheat crop in the field. How do these plants affect the crop field? State two methods to control such plants. And fourth one is discuss the various methods for the pest control. And fifth one is what precautions we should take while handling the pesticides. And seventh question is what are the pathogens, what type of the pathogens are there which cause the diseases in the plants, how these are controlled in the plant. And last one is what are the pests and how are they attack on the crop plants, and what are the crop control methods to prevent the crop from the pest.